Jamboard Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. Jamboard Enterprise App is Google's collaborative digital whiteboard designed for teams to brainstorm, plan and visualize ideas in real time. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a simple drawing tool. Jamboard is integrated with Google Workspace, making it a powerful collaboration hub for businesses. On the pros side, Jamboard Enterprise offers seamless integration with Google Drive, Docs, Sheets and Slides. Teams can collaborate in real time, whether they're in the same room or across the globe. Its intuitive interface, sticky notes, drawing tools and templates make brainstorming fast and interactive. Enterprise users benefit from advanced security, SO and admin controls, which are essential for large organizations. Additionally, its cloud-based nature ensures that all boards are automatically saved and accessible anywhere. On the cons side, Jamboard has some limitations compared to more advanced visual collaboration tools like Miro or Mural. Its feature set is simpler, so complex workflows for detailed diagramming can be challenging. Offline access is limited, and some users find that larger boards with many elements can slow performance. The physical Jamboard device is also a significant investment, which may not be feasible for all teams. In conclusion, Jamboard Enterprise App is ideal for organizations deeply invested in Google Workspace that want a simple, collaborative whiteboard solution. Its real-time collaboration, cloud integration, and enterprise-grade security make it perfect for brainstorming sessions, workshops, and interactive meetings, while keeping your team connected and organized.